Hello students, welcome to online lecture of M.G. Shah Vidya Mandir and Junior College Bahubali. Welcome to online lecture of 11th Mathematics. New academic year 2021 and 2022. Welcome first all of you in 11th standard. Students, before going to start teaching of maths, we will first introduce about the textbook. We introduce textbook of maths part first and maths part second. Which topics are there? We will introduce first topic name, index, about the textbook, and then we will start about our video. So first of all, introduction. I take here introduction of this textbook. See student, this is the front page of mathematics and statistics part first. It is for science and arts faculty. So front page is given here. You see in the first picture of this front page, one circle is drawn, radius is given, arc is given. So we will see here some concepts about the circle, its measure, and which are the terms in this about this circle. See the second picture. In second picture there is also given x and y axis. Some waves like structure is given 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, pi, 2 pi. Means here some in terms of pi some functions are given. Also it are given y is equal to sin x, y is equal to cos x. Means here some functions are given. So we will see here all this concept in this maths first. Look at the last page, back page of this maths first. Here in the first, here it is given like bracket. We call this as matrices. Means we will see here about matrix. Okay, what is the matrices? We will see here. Then second picture is given. Are you remember this picture? You had learned in 10th standard. Dice are given, some coins are tossed here. Means these pictures you recall about the 10th topic probability. Okay, so here also probability is topic there, but some different concepts are there. We will see in this maths part first. Okay, from this is the first and back page of the maths part first. Now we will see what is the front and last page of maths second. See, this is the front page of maths part first. Here you had observed that some x in first figure, you notice that x and y axis are given and written domain and range. One equation, one figure is drawn here, curve line, and we had given on x-axis domain is given and on y-axis range is given. So we will see here what is the domain and what is the range. Also in the second picture, you observe that there are different kinds of curves are given. So we will see this in the maths part second. Now what is the last page of this maths second? See, this is the back page of this maths second. You observe here axes are given and the axis names are not given like x and y axis. It are given like real axis. See here, real axis and imaginary axis are given. Means here we learn about real and imaginary points. That is about the complex number we will see. And in the last figure you observe, there are here, look at this picture. From these also we will see new concept in this part 2. So this is about maths part first and part second, textbook front page and last, that is back page. Now we will introduce first here about maths first topic and maths second topics. See students, maths 1 is of 40 marks and mathematics second is of 40 marks, and 20 marks are internal. So you have 100 marks paper there. Okay, now we will see first maths 1's index. Look at the maths 1's index. There are how many topics? 9 topics are there. First topic is angle and its measurement. Second topic, trigonometry part first. Third topic, trigonometry part 2. You learn the word trigonometry in 9th and 10th standard also. These are the basic concepts you had learned in 9th and 10th standard. Now we will see some different concepts in these two topics. Then fourth topic is determinant and matrices. In the back page of maths first, matrices picture is given. So we will see determinant. You had learned in 10th standard determinant by Cramer's rule. The next step is matrices. We will see in this maths first. Fifth topic is straight lines. Then 6 circle, 7 conic section. 5, 6, 7 are related to geometrical. In 10th standard you learn geometry or math second like this. 8th topic is measures of dispersion and 9th topic is probability. We will see all these 9 topics in maths first part first. So what is in this topic we will see first, and then we start our regular videos. See in the maths part first. First topic is angle and its measurement. Okay. First topic is angle and its measurement. What is we have to study here? We have to study. We will see what is given here. We have to understand angle of any measure here. You understand different system of measurement of angle and relation between them. So which types of angle are there? How to measure the angles and relation between them. Convert an angle from one system to other system. Means we convert degree to radian. There are two types of measures, degree and radian. And what is the conversion between them? We will see in this first topic. First you understand which topics are there, how we study which types of topics are there. First understand and then we start one by one topic. Then second topic is, second topic, trigonometric functions. We first see here definitions of trigonometric functions of angle of any measures. At the front page you had seen the circle picture. So this circle picture is related to this topic. For this, in this topic we will see how to understand trigonometric functions of any angle. Finding values of trigonometric functions of certain angles. How to find trigonometric functions of certain angles. To draw graphs of trigonometric function. We will see in this topic. Next topic is the third topic, trigonometric functions of compound angles and factorization formula. Here we will see, this topic is related to second topic. Here we will see what is the sum and difference angle of trigonometry functions, how to find trigonometry functions of multiple angles, expressing the sum or difference of two trigonometry functions as product. We will learn trigonometry ratios of angle of a triangle. Now next topic is fourth, determinant and matrices. I had told you in the last page of this topic you had given picture of matrices. You had learned determinant in already 9th and 10th standard. So we here two topics are included, determinant and matrices. 2 points are there. In determinant we see finding value of determinant, how to reduce determinant to simple form, solving linear equation in 2 or 3 variables, finding area of triangle using determinants. And in matrices we will see what is the matrix, what are the different types of matrix, and how to perform algebraic expressions, algebraic operations on these matrices. Next, fifth topic is straight line. In that straight line we will understand what is the locus and its equation, finding equation of straight line in different form, find angle between given two straight lines and distance of point from given line. Okay, and in circle we will see, next topic is circle. In circle we will see equation of circle, then properties of circle, finding equation of tangent to the circle. Seventh topic is conic section. So in conic section there are three types again, parabola, ellipse and hyperbola. Here we will see equation of conic, then we learn properties of conic and equation of tangent to the conic. Next topic is measure of dispersion. Here we will calculate range, deviation and variance from the given data. This topic is in 12th standard also, measures of dispersion. In 12th standard also you find range, then standard deviation and variance. So this topic is useful in 12th standard also. And last topic is probability. From 9th standard you learn the probability. Here we will see how to find probability of an event. We will learn some theorems and its application. These two topics are in 12th standard also. So you carefully study these all topics of maths part first. Now we will go to index of maths part second. As compared to maths first, there are 9 topics in maths second. This is also easy. All topics in maths second are also easy. See, first topic name is complex number. Then second is sequence and series. Third topic name is permutation and combination. Fourth, methods of induction and binomial theorem. Fifth topic is sets and relation. Sixth topic is function. Seventh is limit. 8 is continuity and 9 is differentiation. Student, all these topics are new for you. Only you had learned about complex number. What is complex number? Definition. And you learned sets in 10th standard. Otherwise, all topics are new here in 11th standard. So, what we will see in this topic, we will see. First topic is complex number. In this complex number, we will study, understand the complex number and different ways of expressing complex number, performing algebraic operations on complex number, and we simplify algebraic expression involving complex number. Complex numbers form is what we will see in this topic. Then second topic is sequence and series. Here this term is new, but you had learned in 10th standard what is sequence, arithmetic progression you had seen. We will learn AP, GP and HP. We find general term and some of the first n terms of this sequence. As you had learned in 10th standard, the arithmetic progression, some of the first n natural numbers, etc. Next, third topic is permutation and combination. This is new topic. Here we count the number of arrangements of given objects satisfying specified condition and count the number of possible selections of objects with certain conditions. Means here in permutation and combination you learn the count, the number of arrangement is there. In such type of arrangement, what we do, permutation or combination, there are different combinations, that there are different arrangement in your daily life also. So here also we use the permutation and combinations. Next topic is fourth one, methods of induction and binomial theorem. There are two topics covered here, method of induction and binomial theorem. Method of induction you understand and you apply on the mathematical statement, and binomial theorem, how to expand binomial theorem. It is like formula and we write its general form and we will see examples on it. Next, fifth topic is sets and relations. You had learned sets in 9th 10th standard. What are the different types of sets, operations on set you had learned. Here also we will see some work with sets and operation on sets. We construct sets from given condition. Also we solve problems on application of set. And in relation we see types of relations. Then we study equivalence relation. See, next topic is function, sixth topic. In this function we will see what is the definition, what is the domain, what is the range, which are the different types of functions, and algebraic operations on function. Seventh topic is limits. We will understand here the concept of limit of a function. We determine the limit of function, when the limit exists and when the limit does not exist, we will see. Then eighth topic is continuity. Here also we will see first definition of continuity and examples on it. And last topic is ninth topic, differentiation. This topic is important for 12th standard also. Here some basic concepts of differentiation we will see in 11th standard. We understand and study the differentiability of functions, and we see the various functions, differentiation of various functions. If you study 9th topic differentiation base in this year, then in 12th standard you get the topic easy. So this is about maths part first and part second textbook, and which are the topics included in this maths part first and maths part second. In the next video we will start maths part first one by one. So students, you first understand all these topics. You start see the topic first in both maths part first and part second. Okay. Now there is question paper based on maths part first and second also. There is weightage of marks is 100 mark paper, 50 marks is for maths part first and 40 marks is of maths part first and 40 marks is of maths second, and 20 marks is for your internal practical work. So you carefully understand all these topics in this 11th standard so that you get the 12th standard very easy. Okay, we will start video from the next day. Thank you.